For our cowboy cookies, we're starting with chopped pecans and coconut sprinkled on a baking sheet. We'll put those in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes, checking every couple of minutes to make sure that we've got them stirred so they toast lightly. We're going to let them cool, and in the meantime, we'll get our butter, softened butter, brown sugar, and sugar together. We're going to mix that around and add our eggs and vanilla. We're going to give this a good beating. Get that all mixed nice, fluffy. We want to scrape down the sides. Get it going again, just like that. In the meantime, we will add our flour, salt, soda together and give that a little stir. And then we're going to add it to the cream mixture. Let that get stirred up again. Scrape down the sides. Give it another whirl. Now the pecans and coconut are cool, so we added those along with the oats and chocolate chips. Ooh, heavy duty. This is cowboy cookies. Ooh, look at that. All right, it's time to place them on the pan. We'll put 2 sheets in the oven at a time, and then we will just rotate them halfway through the baking process. Here we go. All right, it's hard to wait, but it's worth it. Out they come. Oh, look at those. Those look fabulous. We're going to set them out on a rack to cool. Keep the cowboys out for a few more minutes, but we can round them up. Oh, these are terrific. You've got to give them a try.